Welcome to Gimignano Cozzi Venezia 1765 showroom. I'm Valentina, in charge of business development for this Venetian brand, and I will guide you through the discovery of our most significant collections. Pure White collections by Gimignano Cozzi Venezia are produced in fine bone china, the top-of-the-range porcelain, more elegant, more translucent, more chip-resistant and lighter compared to traditional porcelain. Today we introduce you to the Florence collection, especially appreciated by chefs for its rimless shape that allows the use all the surface area of the plates. It is available in a coupe shape from the classic touch and in a completely flat shape, very elegant and contemporary. Florence consists of a wide range of items. In the coupe shape, the available plates measure 10, 15, 23, 26.5 and 30 centimeters, and the soup plates and pasta bowls measure 20, 25, 28, 30 and 31 centimeters. In addition, we have a completely flat range of plates in different sizes, 22.5, 28, 30 and 33 centimeters. The last one being perfect as a serving dish, but also for a gourmet pizza with friends. In addition, there are 6 different sizes of fruit bowls and salad bowls, from 8 cm up to 23 cm. Unusually, the 16.5 cm bowl, completed with its cloche and the double-welled saucer in 22 cm, which can also be used for the 15 cm Florence dessert bowl and the 15 cm dessert bowl from the Milano shape. Oval plates are available in 3 different sizes, with a 45 cm being the largest, designed also as a serving dish, but also can be used as a presentation plate for buffet or gastronomies. We also offer everything you need for enjoying tea and coffee, including espresso, cups, a 35 centiliter mugs, teapots and coffee pots. The particular composition on bone china, with 46% of tricalcium phosphate, makes this material more elastic compared to traditional porcelain, increasing the chipping resistance by approximately 30%. Bone china, fired at 1300 degrees, it's synonymous of elegance, translucency, lightweight, brilliance, chip resistance, ideal for all requirements, both professional and domestic.